Hey guys, it's Miss Turner and I am back with your weekly tech tip. I use Google Chrome all the time, and so I wanted to show you a couple of the keyboard shortcuts that I use a lot when I'm working in Chrome. Okay, this happens to me a lot. I don't know about you, but I go to click on a tab. So say that I am, looking at this tab, but I want to go back to Kahoot because my students are coming in and we're ready to play this game and I already have it set up. Okay, I sometimes when I go to click on it, I might accidentally click the X and I have everything set up and I just needed to look at that tab, but I close it. The way to get it back without having to go to the site and maybe click multiple links to get back to where you were, you can hit CtrlShiftT if you are using Windows. If you're using Mac, it's Command-Shift-T. But Control-Shift-T will reopen that tab that you just closed. And it actually works if you've closed multiple ones. So let me close 4. Let's say I closed 4 of them and I really needed that one tab that I closed first. I can hit Control-Shift-T, hit it once, twice, 3 times, and then the 4th time it gets back to the 4th tab that I've just closed. Okay, so you can do that as many times as you've closed tabs while you've been working in Chrome if you haven't closed out of Chrome or shut down your computer. Okay, so that's one of my favorite tricks to get a tab back. I also use a trick to keep from that happening, so keep from accidentally shutting a tab down. So let's say that I am working in Google Drive, and so this is a ed tech book that I'm working on. And I know I'm going to be working in it a lot and going to other sites to get pictures and stuff, so I don't want to accidentally close out of it. You can right click on the tab and choose Pin Tab, and it will, see what it did, it made it smaller and it got rid of that X, so I can't accidentally close out of it. I do this with things that I know I'm going to be spending a lot of time in, so like if you're doing Kahoot with your students and you're going to be doing it all day, you could pin that tab so that you can't accidentally close out of it and, right in the middle of the game lose all the students' data and, their scores be lost. Okay, there's one other trick that I use. Let's say, for example, that I'm teaching 6th grade math and I need to look up a TEK, and I just want to find the specific one, but I don't remember which one it is, but I know it has to do with fractions. So I have all my TEKs pulled up and I don't want to have to scroll through and read each one and try to figure out which exact one about fractions that I need. I can hit Control F and this little box pops up in the top right. And here I can type in fraction, and what it does is it highlights on this page every single time that fraction is mentioned. Okay, and if you use these arrows, you can click through the times that it's mentioned, so you don't even have to scroll and look for it. It will take you directly to it. Okay, that works on web pages, that works on PDFs. So say that I want to look for comment. I want to know how to comment on a blog, and this is a walkthrough for blogging. I can type comment. I see that it's mentioned 26 times. The first one, the one that I'm on where it says 1 of 26, that's highlighted in orange. I can click and it will just take me down through the pages every time it's mentioned. And I'm just looking for how to comment. I want to comment on someone's blog. There, it took me to page 12 writing a comment. So instead of me scrolling through and reading 12 pages, I can get right to the exact thing that I'm looking for. Okay, so it works on websites, it works on PDFs, and I'm pretty sure it works on Word documents. So if you have a Word document pulled up and it's really long, you can use that Control F. It's Control F on Windows, Command F on a Mac. You can use that to find what you're looking for really quick. Okay, so I hope this helps and I hope it saves you some time. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below in the comments below the YouTube video. And if you want more tech tips, you can find them on my YouTube channel, and the website is tiny.cc/askhaylee. Okay, thanks. I hope y'all have a great day.